Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys, another unboxing, and sorry if I have not been uploading videos and stuff like that. I've been sick, I've been in and out of the hospital. I actually just got back from the hospital. Sorry about that, guys, but let's just move this out the way. Only reason why I got gloves on is because I just took off my band from the hospital and I had IVs in this part of my hand. So yeah, sorry about that. I've been sick for the last few days. So let's get to the package that we're gonna be unboxing, which is gonna be this right here. I don't think I need the bat knife, but we still gonna do it. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So what we're gonna do is just cut it right here, which we don't really need to do any cuts. But this product that I got right here is something that I really needed. So let's just get this off right here. Get that off too. Just making sure they ain't have none of my information on here. Okay, there we go. And we got a stylus pen also right there. So let's bring the iPad in here. Let me just make sure that all my info on my thing is removed off so y'all can't see. Hold on a second. Call of Duty popped up. Okay, there we go. Lock it. Okay, so here we go right here. So what a lot of guys don't know is that I buy a lot of stuff off of AliExpress because it's cheaper and for the price what it is. So if y'all don't know, this is my keyboard for my iPad. What is it? Air 13-inch M2, whatever the name is. And you know, why spend almost what $200 whatever dollars for this particular keyboard right here for your iPad, which is basically a magnet. Just pop it off just like that, and you just like that. For keyboard, battery's dead because I've been rocking with this like crazy. As you can see, like that. F, change the colors, like that. I use this thing all the time. I literally go probably a month without never charging up this keyboard. Probably a month and a half. I charge it up once and probably go about a month and a half with heavy use on this thing. So I use this thing as a full laptop. I even do my game recordings on it. I'm gonna have a video showing you guys how I record my PC gameplays, my ROG Ally X gameplays, my PlayStation 5, my Xbox, my PC, everything on my iPad. So I'm gonna show y'all what I actually use for that. So let's just close this up real quick. And also what I do like about this case is that when you close it, it automatically locks the iPad for you. So this right here is the reason I had to basically replace the mount that I was using before to look at my stuff. You guys see my previous video, I showed you how I was using this. But inside the other room, my gaming room, I have a mount when I'm doing my over-the-top recordings like I'm doing right now. I have a mount that I have on there that allows me to put my iPad on there, but the piece on that actually broke. So I basically replaced it. So the seller that I'm dealing with on here, on AliExpress, he's amazing. Basically, my package got lost in the mail. He went out his way to make sure I got this package. He made a full complaint to SpeedX. If you ever get a package from SpeedX, guys, always, if you buy anything from SpeedX, make sure you tell the seller if you ever buy a package from AliExpress, make sure you tell the seller don't use SpeedX because they will try to steal your packages. So here we go right here. So we get this. Oh, I like this. I really needed this. This is something that I really needed. And he gave me the extra holder, which I needed. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. And the lock's on right there. Okay. Then we have this extra one that I asked the seller for this one right here. So the rings goes on the back of my iPad right there for that part. Which I don't know if I'm going to put it on here. I may not. I don't know exactly yet. And here's the magnet piece right here. which is kind of like bent up. I'm gonna let him know that it's bent, so maybe he could just send me out another one of these pieces right here. But it did get stolen in shipping because the shipping carrier literally tried to keep this damn thing. So, oh yeah, that's nice. So let's pull this open. I don't know how to open it yet. Okay, you got that here. Then you have this. Oh, this is a hard spring. Okay. Oh, damn. Might need some WA-40 for this. That's nice. All right, so let's just test this thing out real quick. Let's just get this thing opened up real quick because I want to test this out on my iPad. This is going to be 2 videos in one, so I'm not going to do another unboxing for the other one. It's just going to be one big unboxing. So I want to just get this on this part of my table right here. Get about right there. Lock this thing on. There we go. Let's just throw this right here. This is going to actually go over here, right there. I'm getting another one of these. I'm going to order another one of these to go into my other office like that. But I do like this. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Okay, let's rotate this way. Let's get this open. And so this goes this way. That locks into the beginning there. There you go. Okay, it's locked into place. Okay, just gonna leave it like this. Damn, this thing is stiff. This thing needs some WD-40. No cap. Okay, let's just get the iPad off. And see where it's magnetized at. Okay, so I am going to need that ring. I'm going to need the ring. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely going to need that ring to put on the back of the iPad. So this ring right here goes right here to lock it in place to hold the iPad like that. So I think I would use more of my phone on top of it. If y'all don't know, here's my phone right here. This is how I'm actually doing a recording with everything because I can't use my iPad. I'm using the iPad right now, but there you go right there. Because in the back of my phone, it does have the ring thing on top of it. I just don't want to stop the recording real quick, but there you go right there. Oh yeah, that's locked in place. Oh yeah. That's perfect. I can even use my iPhone for it, so there you go. That's how I see when I'm doing my recordings. I use my iPhone to control the camera, everything. So if I zoom in right now, you can see I'm doing this on my phone. So if I go right here, see what I'm doing right now? That's controlling my DJI Pocket 3. So that's what that is. So yeah, that is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I am going to probably use the clamp on this. So I'm going to probably switch it up with this and use the clamp instead of this because I don't feel secure with this. This was just the extra part that I request for this one. So let's just get this off because this got to get mounted towards this part on my desk. So let's get this out the way. Okay, you know what? I'm going to end the video right there. I'm going to do this one on a separate video because it's already 10 minutes in. I don't want to pull this video that long on top of it. All right, guys. All right, so that's going to be the end of this. And we're going to get to the next video. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.